Betula nigra is river birch. This is a plant that's used a lot for winter interest. It's also native in eastern Oklahoma into the central part of the United States. This is a simple and alternate leaf arrangement. You can see on this leaf it has similar veins as we saw on the elms, kind of a pinnate vein where the veins are sort of parallel to each other, but this curves a little bit. You see this sort of double toothing, but on the toothing you always have an area right here, like a broad part of the base that doesn't have teeth, and then the teeth begin and then it tapers down here towards the end. This is more kind of an upright tree, although the very youngest sort of slender branches may weep just a little bit, 30 to 40 feet high, not quite as wide as tall. And many times you see this as a multiple stem, but you may also see it as a single trunk. The bark on the river birch is very much an ornamental characteristic. There are some cultivars that have more of this sort of light and very, very peeling bark. As the bark gets older, or as the tree gets older, the bark becomes more like furrowed, and then you'll see this peeling up into the branches of the plant. The flowers are a catkin, which are actually sort of just like this drooping flower structure, and then that turns into sort of a cone-like structure. It's not a true cone, but a cone-like structure with small seeds. We'll take a look at the stems when we see this in lab. They're very kind of flexible, kind of a reddish brown, and a little bit shiny when young. There's a yellow fall color to the plant. It's also got very aggressive roots. It's kind of hard to plant anything under it. Comes from areas where there's a lot of moisture, so it has a lot of sort of fibrous roots to be able to pick up that moisture.